Good morning, children. How are you all? I hope you are fine and safe at home. So today, children, we are going to do cursive writing. Which subject is today? Cursive writing. Yes, all of you know what is cursive writing? Yes, cursive writing means patterns, alphabets in cursive writing. Yes, everybody knows. You have learned in your senior KG and first also. Yes, children. So today we are going to write the alphabet. Which alphabet? Capital cursive alphabets. Yes. So today we will start. Okay. A. How we will write the A? Go up, then we come down, and then go up and make a sleeping line. Then we will make A. Now cursive B. First I will show you on the board. Then I will show you how to write in your books. Yes, children. Now C. D. Come make a standing line, make a small circle and make a curve. This will make D. Make a slanting line. Then make a C. Small E. And then make a curve. This will make E. Now F. G. All of you know. Yes, children. We are just doing the revision only. Now D. G. Then H. H. Yes. I. J. K. L. Then M. N. Then we will write O. P. Q. How we will write Q? Make a circle and then make a little curved line. Yes, children. Now R. S. T. U. V. W. X. Y. And Z. Yes, children, all of you know how to write the capital letters. These are called capital cursive. What we say here? Capital cursive. Again, we will repeat it. A, you have to go up making a slanting line. Then come down again making a standing line. Again go up till the blue line. And then make a curve. I will show you how to write in your book also line by line. Okay, children? Again we will repeat A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y and Z. So children, now I will show you how to write in your book. Okay, children, and you have to write neatly and clean. Okay. So children, now I will show you in the book. All of you have this book, Roots Cursive Writing book. Yes. Yes. So now you have to open the second page and you have to write. First we will write A. Start from the bottom blue line, go up, making a slanting line till the upper red line. Make a small curve and come down till the bottom blue line and again go up. Then make a curve and come out making a tail. This is A. Now B. You have to trace, all of you. हाउ टू ट्रेस इन योर बुक. यस, सबको ट्रेसिंग करना है पहले, फिर ही लिखना है. Then we will make a C. Start from the bottom blue line, go up till the upper red line and make a curve. This is C. Start from the upper red line, come down making a standing line, make a small circle and then go up making a curve. This is D. Start from the upper blue line, ऊपर की blue line से start करना है. Then make a slanting line till the upper red line. Then make a small circle and touch the upper blue line and then make a curve touching the bottom blue line. This is E. Then F. Start from the upper red line, make a sleeping line, come down till the bottom blue line and then make a small curve and the line in the middle. This is F. Now G. Start from the bottom blue line, make a slanting line, go up till the upper red line, make a loop. Loop means you have to make a L. Yes, then make a small curve and come down again. Now I will show you how to write by our own. Yes, start from the bottom blue line, go up making a slanting line till the upper red line and come down till the bottom blue line. Then go up till the upper blue line and make a loop. This is A. Now B. Yes, you know how to make B, children. You have to start from the upper red line, come down till the bottom blue line and then go up again and make 3. This is B. Now we will draw C. Start from the bottom blue line, go up till the upper red line, make a curve. This is C. Start from the upper red line, come down making a standing line, then make a small circle and then make a curve. This is D. Now E. Now F. Make a sleeping line on the upper red line, then make a standing line and make a curve and again make a sleeping line. This is F. Start from the bottom blue line, make a slanting line till the upper red line and then make a U and come down till the bottom red line. This is G. I have shown you only 2 times. You have to fill it. Okay, सबको पूरा लिखना है. Okay, now I will show you H. First of all, you have to trace. Okay, start from the bottom blue line, go up till the upper red line and then come down making a standing line and small curve. Then make a standing line and again go up and make a loop. This is H. Now you have to touch the upper blue line and go up, then come down making a slanting line. This is I. Again make a I and then a loop. This is J. Start from the bottom blue line, go up till the upper red line, come down till the bottom blue line and then make a slanting line from upper red line to the bottom up line, upper blue line and then come down till the bottom blue line. This is K. Now we will write L. M. All of you know how to write M. Yes, you have to touch the bottom blue line, again touch the upper red line and come down till the bottom blue line. N. Now we will write here H. You have to make a loop here. I. J. K. L. M. N. Now the next page O. You have to make a circle and then make a sleeping line. This is O. You have to start from the upper red line, make a standing line, then make a curve and go up making a semicircle. This is P. Again make a circle and then make a curved line. This is Q. R. How to write R? Start from the upper red line, make a standing line, then make a curve and go up, making a semicircle and come down, making a curve. This is R. Now S. Start from the bottom blue line, go up, making a slanting line, make a small circle and then make a curve. This is S. Now T. Make a sleeping line, make a standing line till the bottom blue line and small curve. Now we will write, make a circle and then make a sleeping line. This is O. Make a standing line, then make a curve and make a semicircle. This is P. Again make a circle and then make a curved line. This is Q. Make a standing line and then make a curve and go up, making a circle. This will become P and then you have to make a line. This will become R. S. T. Now we will write U. You have to start from the upper blue line, make a slanting line and come down, making a standing line. Make a curve, go up till the upper red line and come down. This is U. Now V. Yes? This is V. W. Start from the upper red line, make a 1 U and 2 U. 2 बार U लिखना है. And then make a small sleeping line. This is W. Start from the bottom blue line. Make a curve. उल्टा सी लिखना है फिर सीधा सी लिखना है. तो क्या बन जाएगा भाई? X बन जाएगा. Now start from the upper blue line. Go up till the upper red line. Make a small U. Then come down and make a loop. This is Y. Then Z. Start from the upper red line, upper blue line to the upper red line. Then make a curve. This will make 3 and then a loop. This is Z. Now we will write U, V, W, X, Y, Y and Z. So children, you have to write and fill all the pages. Okay, 2 and 3 you have to write in your cursive book, page number 2 and page number 3. Okay, if you have any doubt you can ask me. Goodbye.